Hello everyone. Well, I am waiting to go inside of this next spot that I can't wait to show you. We are on Billionaires Row, 441 East 57th Street. We are going to be in Sutton Place, where we have, I think, the best of all luxury worlds. It's basically a downtown townhouse meets fabulous, quiet, close to park neighborhood in Sutton Place, and quite frankly, for a steal. You get 6 stories of a townhouse in a condo building for under $9 million. It's absolutely a steal. I can't wait for you to see it. It has beautiful outdoor space, and they're actually redoing the living room, so that will be a special treat as well. It's just over 5,500 square feet, and something you'll notice is they do have an elevator that goes to every floor. The building is fully staffed, so again, you get that fabulous condo feel while having having your own private townhouse. But before we get on that tour, I'm gonna need you to like, subscribe, share this with a friend. We here at the Wheelock team love to be your real estate resource of choice. So be sure to hit us up with any of your real estate needs. Comment below, let us know what you think of the place. And for now, let's go take a look. Well, here's the deal. It's raining outside, and I'm not going into the elements so that we can have a different shot. I care too much about my hair. So, we are all done. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Be sure to like, subscribe if you want to see more apartments like this. And of course, our contact information is below if you would like the Wheelock team to help you out to find your next apartment or help you sell your apartment here in New York City. As always, we appreciate you and we love being your real estate resource of choice.